Hi there. Now I'm going to teach you how to turn off that My AI on Snapchat, or how to remove that one. Okay? You might have heard that Snapchat just released an AI called My AI on their own platform. Basically, it's just the same as the other ones on the other apps. So only uses to help you on your daily needs or your major concerns, that to help you ease off those questions. Okay? So how to remove that one? First things first, I want you to open your Snapchat application. From here, go on the chat section. Now as you can see here, there are a lot of chats here. It's just the same purpose or the same process on deleting a regular Snapchat person chat or removing them on your chat screen. The same goes with the My AI chat. So technically I don't have that My AI chat here displayed because we don't have it available in my area right now, because Snapchat is taking its time rolling out to the public the My AI feature. Okay, however, this is what you should expect on how does it look like. It's gonna be My AI with this emoji. It's technically really the same as other chats. So how to remove it? From here, I can show you that from the Snapchat website itself, it says you can swipe right from the camera screen to go to the chat screen, so the chat section. Press and hold the on My AI, tap chat settings, and tap clear from chat feed. Or there is another step. This is actually the harder one, or much more complicated one, rather than the easy one right there. However, let's try both. Okay, so for the second one, it says tap settings, scroll down to privacy controls, tap clear data, tap clear conversations, and then tap the X next to My AI to remove the conversation from your feed. Moving on, let's go to Snapchat. I'm gonna demonstrate you how to do that. So let's just say this person right here, this person is My AI. How to remove that one? Just hold on to it, and then chat settings. Let's check on it. That one over here, and it says cleared from chat feed. This one. Are you sure you want to clear this from conversation? Let's just hit clear, and easy as that. That person is removed from your chat feed. Just like how to remove My AI. It's the same process, guys. So let's try the step 2. It says here again, let's go to settings, clear data, and then clear conversation, right? So let's go to settings. From here, tap this one. It's gonna be on the top right, the settings icon. Click on this one and then go into chats. It's gonna be privacy controls, right? Let's check on it again. So it says settings, privacy controls, and tap clear data. We're in privacy controls and clear data, this one. From here it says clear conversations. Now just look for the one that says My AI. It's just gonna be the same one as the normal people that you have on your contacts. For example, let's remove this first one right here, Team Snapchat. Click on it and it's removed. So just do the same as on your My AI if you have it on your end, because I don't have it right now. And that's how you remove or turn off My AI on Snapchat. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.